triangular puzzle for you. Here's what I'm going to do with the triangle. First of all, I'm going to fold the corners inwards. I've already ruled some lines there, and if I follow those, I think the points should meet right in the centre. There's two of them meeting already, and here's the third one, which meets the other two. And then with my pen, I'm going to rule along the edges like that, so that we have some lines coming into the centre as well. All right, two drawn. There's another one there, and another one there. Two more, and when I open it up, what sort of shapes will we see? You guessed it, we'll see lots and lots of triangles. Here's the question. How many triangles can you see? Count them. How many triangles? Well, you can see quite a lot of them that are this size, can't you? Look, there's one right up the top there. Another one there, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 triangles that size. However, if you said the answer was 9 triangles, you are not correct because there's some others there as well. Did you see them? Have another look. There are some that are slightly larger. If I start at this point here, run my finger down there and across there, you can see that there's a triangle which is this size in that position. How many others of that size? Well, there's another one down in this corner and another one over there. In other words, we have 3 triangles this size. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Did you say the answer was 12? If you did, you're not quite correct because there's another one as well. Which one is that? Of course, it's the original triangle. 9 plus 3 plus 1, 13. So in this case, 13 is a lucky number.
I want to know. Curiosity.